Hello, my name is Nick Stamoulis of the digital marketing agency Brick Marketing. During today's video strategy session, I will discuss the ways and reasons to use a multi-channel approach to your marketing. Welcome to the age of data-driven marketing. With so much data at our fingertips, it's essential to leverage it effectively to create a powerful growth marketing strategy. Let's start by understanding how to harness your data. Data is the cornerstone of growth marketing. Ensure all your tracking tools, such as Google Analytics and Google Search Console, are properly set up to capture valuable website data. Once your data is captured, analyze it thoroughly to uncover insights that will shape your digital marketing strategy. This analysis will inform every decision you make moving things forward. Next, use your data to determine your audience. Identify your ideal customer by analyzing existing data and conducting market research. Understanding your audience's demographics and behaviors is crucial for targeting your marketing efforts effectively. Before diving into your marketing plan, nail down your brand messaging. Ensure your brand's message is cohesive and consistent. Avoid a patchwork approach to marketing. Instead, create a unified strategy that clearly communicates your brand's values and goals. Now it's time to identify the right marketing channels. Each business is unique, so determine which mix of channels, social media, content marketing, digital advertising, email marketing, SEO, and more, works best for your industry, objectives, and your business. Use your data and industry insights to focus your digital marketing efforts. For example, instead of a broad approach to social media, target the platforms where your audience is most active and engaged. A well-equipped and developed growth marketing strategy integrates multiple channels, creating a synergistic effect that amplifies your reach and impact. By leveraging your data, understanding your target audiences, crafting cohesive messaging, and choosing the right channels, you can help elevate your marketing efforts and achieve significant growth. Start building your own data-driven growth marketing strategy today to watch your business grow. Thanks so much for listening. My name is Nick Stamoulis from the Boston-based digital marketing agency Brick Marketing. Please be sure to visit our website at brickmarketing.com and follow us at Brick Marketing.